Hello and welcome back again to my channel Susan Good TV. How are you all doing? I hope fine. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys on how I made this beautiful threading wool hairstyle. So first I just part the hair from where I'm parting it now. I started from there, I part it round. So this is how I'm to just thread it round. Then after this one I'm making now, like I'll make just 1 2 3. The third one is where I will add the first one to, like and just see how the way I'm explaining it. Okay, this, and after I finish this first one, then I'll make the second. This when I'm making the third one, I'll do the before, not this the pattern from this one, but just the end of the hair. All right, so if you don't understand, just follow it up, you will understand how I make it. For the fine, you put the first one to this third one, so I'm going to take it, but the part is different. I'm not round okay, but when I cut it, I'm going back from the back. You might not understand what I'm trying to just see how I'm doing it. Okay, I appreciate my daughters. I really do appreciate you all for your support. I hope you guys are fine. I hope you're there. I hope you guys are doing so great. So it's your first time coming across my channel Susan Good TV. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate you, and please subscribe to my channel if you've not subscribed, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to get notification. What we do in the channel here is all about hair. We do hair mask to make it here. Stay connected and got a lot to bring. So this now as I'm this line, this one I'm making is kind of off the way I round. That is to create the second line. Back. So then when I finish this line adjust now, and I finish it, this part I'm going to do it until we are done. This is easy, perfect, and like I always say, make your kids hair do what they want. It's for you to make their hair because it calmly like that. You know, every kid wants to like pick some ball in one place. So and time. So okay, so this is how I've been managing with my kids. So you see the way I was coming from the so it's very, as I said, if you don't need it at mind, follow my definitely making it. That's how you feel. Just feel free to contact us and let we definitely do it. Thank you so much guys, I appreciate it. And I will leave now to why do just up and comment and help us also. Thank you, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Now one guys.
Don't fall, don't forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it, getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Gone to the place where all this began, just start again. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall first to pick yourself up off the ground until you break down. Look beneath the bed before you go to sleep. Keep on, I shine. You'll surely get burned if you reach out and touch. My mind is a battle, I'm trying to hide it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Gone to the place where all this began. To start again. I'll see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall first to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found. And you can't start again until you break down. Break down. Until you break down. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall first to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found. And you can't start again until you break down. Hold on, hold on. You're not lost, you're not lost. Hold on, hold on. You're not lost, you're They said, don't fall. Don't forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run. Don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Going to the place where all this began. To start again. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall first to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found. And you can't start again until you break down. Break down. Until you break down. They said, be meek. Look beneath the bed before you go to sleep. Keep on, I shine. You'll surely get burned if you reach out and touch. My mind is a battle, I'm trying to hide it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Gone to